This is the basic description of the e-commerce project. So I have first of all, this is the app.js file where I have defined all these routes. This is the home page, which will be responsible for rendering the home page. Then we have the product detail page with the params parameter, where we will be passing the ID of the product. Then we have add product page, then we have the cart page, and then we have the about page. So let's first go to home page. On home page we have the navigation bar and the products, list of products that have been fetched from the API. So we will display the products in the form of cards, Bootstrap card for each each product. Then we have the product detail page where I have defined a couple of user state variables. One of the is product and the other one is loading. ID I am getting from the parameters from the URL. So here I am fetching the data by attaching the ID of the product which I am getting from the URL. When I receive the data, I am setting the product, and then I am displaying the product down here in the form of product detail page. Okay, then we have the add product page where we will be presented with a form. We will get all the data entered by the user, and then we will send the post request to the API endpoint with all the data, and in the Redux store we will make the uh, desired decision for adding the product. Since the API is fake, we will not be adding to the real server, but definitely we will get the response back from the server. Then we have the cart cart page where we are displaying the list of cart items which we have added to our cart. Okay, we are conditionally rendering it. If we don't have any item in the cart, we will show that no items in your cart, please add some. If we have data, we will render the list of cart items, and we are also displaying the total price of the cart items. Last but not the least, we have the about page where I have generally put up my name that I have designed the project and a couple of social media links like Instagram and GitHub. Okay, so these are the component files I have written, and this is the Redux file, product slice file, where I have the initial state of products which is initially empty. Cart is also an array, is loading an error if there is any. Okay, I have used the async thunk create async thunk function to send the get request initially when our project loads to get the data from the server. And then I have created this slice, and these are the reducers. Add product is there. Then we have the update product description where we can update the description and the ID. Then we have update product price also is there. Then we have the delete product reducer, and then we have the add to cart reducer, and these extra reducers are for This is for the async create async thunk operation, okay, which I have defined at this place. Okay, for this we have to write the extra reducers for the pending state, for the fulfilled state, and for the rejected state. Then I have exported all the action creator functions, and also the reducer. Okay, so, and this is the redux store that I have defined. Only one reducer is there, that is the product reducer. So let me go to the this is the project in the browser. Let me reload it once. We have fetched the data from the server and displayed it on the browser in the form of cart like this. Okay, so there is a button. First of all, let me show the functionality of sorting by price. When I click it, we got this sorted view. The least price is the first that is coming up, 349, 849, 899, and the highest price is the table 5399. So we can also clear the sort filter and we'll get back the original data coming from the server. So we can see the details of the product like this, and here we get the option of adding to the cart. So let me add to the cart. We get the chair in the cart items, and we have also get the total price of the product, and we can see there is a notification that we have got one product in the cart. You can also add the product to the cart from this button, add to the cart. Let me add this product, and we get the bottle here in the cart items, and we also updated the total price here. Then we can delete the product. You can delete the product by clicking on this button. We got the pop-up notification, and we also got the uh, response from the server. Then we can update the product by clicking on this pencil button, updating. Okay, let me update the price also, and click on save. We get the response, we get the pop-up notification, and also the response from the server back in the console. Okay, we can delete this product. Okay, we get the new notification, and we get the response from the server. Okay, and the other thing is, can add the product. Let me add one sample product to the database. Since the API is back and we will not be able to really add the product to the API server, but definitely we will get a response from the post request that will be sending from our application. So let me create a dummy product like a form. I've already copied the URL. I'll paste it. Let me give it something like 10,000 sample product. Let me add this product. So we'll get the this pop-up notification, and we also got the response from the server that we have successfully added the server product to the server. Okay, so that's it.